Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing a dedicated space and confirming electrical and network access. Decide on room size, layout, and a budget near $500 for hardware and treatment. Plan speaker and listener positions to reduce reflections and ensure a clear microphone line of sight. Choose a primary microphone 6 inches from the speaker and a secondary omnidirectional mic for ambient sensing. Set target audio specs, 48K Hz sample rate and 24-bit depth for accurate voice models. Identify control points for devices, lighting, and emergency shutoffs. Begin acoustic treatment by installing broadband absorption panels covering roughly 30% of reflective wall area. Add 2 bass traps in room corners to control frequencies under 100 Hz. Position the main mic 6 inches from the speaker and include a pop filter and shock mount for cleaner captures. Use a stable mic boom or stand to maintain consistent distance. Choose a USB or XLR audio interface with 48K Hz, 24-bit capability, and a preamp gain of about plus 30 decibels. Install voice recognition software and choose either local models or a trusted cloud provider. Calibrate the system with an impulse response test and adjust voice activity detection thresholds to produce average speech peaks near -18 dBFS. Train or fine-tune models with a balanced sample set of at least 500 utterances across users and environments. Configure hot word detection sensitivity and set fallback commands for noisy conditions. Secure devices by isolating their network, enabling TLS, and enforcing strong passwords with 2-factor authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.